Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video I will show you how to install the RetroArch emulator on your iPhone and get your favorite games up and running. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the RetroArch emulator. You can find it on the official RetroArch website, or now it's available in the App Store as well. Once you've found it, click Install and wait for the app to download. RetroArch is a powerful emulator that lets you play classic games from various consoles, including the NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, GBA, PS1, Atari 2600, GBC, Sega Master System, and Neo Geo. With RetroArch, you can relive the nostalgia of these iconic gaming systems on your iPhone and iPad. After the installation is complete, open the RetroArch app. You'll be greeted with the main menu. Here, you can adjust your settings, but for now, let's focus on getting a game installed. First of all, you need to download the game ROM. I downloaded a PlayStation Portable game. Most of the ROMs comes in zip files. So first of all, you need to unzip them via any unzip app. There are a lot of unzip apps are available on App Store. Simply select the game ROM and share it via unzip app, and then hit the three dots and then choose the option Extract Files or Unzip. Then it will unzip the game ROM and save it into the unzip folder. Now go back and open the RetroArch emulator app. Now hit the Load Core option. Here you will see the complete list of all the game's core, so choose the core according to your game core. In my case, I downloaded the PlayStation Portable game, so I will choose the Sony PlayStation Portable. Now hit the second option, Load Content. Then choose the option, Open. Now go back to Browse and open the On My iPhone. There you will see your unzip folder. Just open the unzip folder. In unzip folder, you will see your game ROM folder will be there as well. Simply open it and then select your game ROM. Then it will show you suggested core. Simply choose the core according to your game. That's it. Your game will start without any error. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy gaming!